Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. We have a midweek haul. We have a bit more Walgreens and some Rite Aid. And over at Walgreens, we have a double stack going on, making my haul either $4 or completely free, however you look at it. If you could do me a huge kindness and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing to my channel, completely free, and I would be so appreciative. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about are these two boosters, 10 back when you spend 30 and a 9 back when you spend 40. I stacked these two in store and I got $19 back on a $40 basket. So that's called not too shabby. What I got for my basket, it includes 4 of the P&G laundry products, a bag of the Tide Pods, the Gain Pods or the Gain Flings, a Tide liquid detergent, a Bounce, 2 of the Garnier Fructis, 2 of the Garnier Whole Blends, and then 2 of the Dove shampoos. Very low in my stockpile on shampoo, so that's one thing I'm trying to stock back up on. Garnier's on a promotion, 2 for $8. When you spend $10, you get back a $3 register reward. So I am grabbing 2 of each for $16. And yes, the register reward printed for me as well. For those who are like, did it print? Yeah, it printed. So this is the promotion to spend $10 to get a $3 register reward. These are the digitals that I loaded for this deal. We have a 3 off of 2 for the Garnier Fructis and also a 3 off of 2 for the Whole Blends. So that's $6 melting off right there. The next item that I grabbed was 4 of the P&G laundry products, and they have to be tagged $5.49, $5 reward when you buy 4 of them. And we have digital coupons for all of these, so I'm definitely stocking up on these lovely P&G products because, I mean, it's just terrific. So this is the time to buy all of this laundry magic. So I'm just going to show you guys the digital coupons that I loaded for this. We have $1 off for the Bounce dryer sheets. And it also works on those white ones too. It's not by the photo. We have $1.50 off of the liquid. That's a very generous one. It's usually like $1 off. So $1.50, I'm all about that. And then we have another $1.50 off for the Tide Pods and $1 off for the Gain Flings. Now, this is another deal I really like. $4 for each of these Dove shampoos. And we have a 4 off of 2 digital, making it $2 for each shampoo or conditioner. So load this one. I mean, I just love getting this shampoo for that price. Okay, guys, so looking at the overall basket, 4 of the Garniers is $16, 2 of the Dove shampoos is $8, and then 4 of the P&G laundry, I got a mix and match for $21.96. They are $5.49 each, so that's how I'm getting the math. The total is $45.96. I got the cashier to scan my paper booster, which was 9 back when you spend 40. That came out of the Catalina machine earlier in the week, and I had my booster loaded. I had $15 in digitals that I showed you in the slides previous. All of those melted off. Plus, I had 2 register rewards from last week. They are manufacturer register rewards that took off an extra 6. So with my debit card, I paid $24.96, got back $19 in Walgreens cash, and another 8 for both the Tide spend 4, get back a 5, and Garnier of spend 10, get back another 3. So that's $8 in register rewards. Remember, as you're using the 2 spend boosters, do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance or it might mess things up. And then just to show you the 2 register rewards, we have a $3 and a $5 right here. They printed for me. This is a terrific deal. Either $4 if you don't have the $6 in register rewards to roll into this deal from last week, or, you know, really super deal with that. So just loving it. Now, I just want to point something out. If your Walgreens has a beauty counter, there's a product called Revolution, which is a lower tier makeup cosmetic company. I've seen them in Ulta before. And there's some of their skincare line at 90% off. They had this, I don't know what it is. It was $9.99 down to 99 cents. Skin cleanser of some sort, 5.7 ounces. It's kind of blurry. I have no idea. My phone has its own attitude, that's for sure. And this one is some sort of skin moisturizer for $14.99 down to $1.49. So if your Walgreens has a beauty counter and they sell Revolution, you might want to look for these 2 beauty products or skincare products, 90% off. Now, in case you missed it, I made a Dollar General clearance event video. The clearance event's starting on the 29th, which is tomorrow. So I am going to be out at the store at the crack of crow finding these deals. I mean, free Lysol wipes. I will be there. So if you want to watch this video on the matchups, even if you're not a big Dollar General shopper, I will link it at the very end. So with that being said, Walgreens matchups for the next week will be delayed till Saturday. Okay, so now we're back at Rite Aid, and with the 15 back when you spend 50, if you can do it on all of your store cards and just keep maxing out different little deals with the 15 back when you spend 50, now is the time to do it. 500 stores that are closing, I mean, that is the writing on the wall that I think a lot of us really have to pounce on these deals really hard. I've been in and out of all the stores. I have 2 store cards, so you can do that 15 back when you spend 50 with 4 different unique barcodes. I'll talk about that in a second. But yeah, just make these deals happen because we don't know what stores are closing or what's happening. It's still very preliminary. So with that, we have the bonus cash challenges. I completed a bunch this week, just doing a parade of different deals. And some of these, like $7 back for Listerine or 13 back for Tide, worth your time. Okay, now we have this deal. I want to talk about it right off the bat. If you can find clearance Rimmel found in the clearance section or the regular makeup section, they have these little like Stay Matte lipsticks or liquid lipsticks for $1.44. There's a $2 digital coupon that also came off, so I paid $2.32 and got back $10 in bonus cash. The promotion for that is when you buy 3 cosmetics, you're getting back 10. That's once per store card. But if you can find this clearance makeup, that's like a $7.68 moneymaker, worth your time. But like, make it happen, guys, because even if you want to throw that into a next deal with a $50 basket, you're going to have like $7 extra to play with. Okay, so this first deal, 100% digital. This is from the front of the flyer, 15 back when you spend 50. There is 4 different barcodes. There's an online one, which is the website, this one, a social media one, and an email one, which is 4. If you visit this YouTuber's page, Real Deal 1, she has all of those unique barcodes in her community tab, along with different 5 off of 15s and a 5 off of 25. So visit her page exactly like written right there on the screen. Very good Rite Aid shopper, and she has all these barcodes. I'm not going to show them in this video because Rite Aid gets weird about it, but she has all of them on her community tab. Okay, so I'm obviously juggling 2 different store cards. The first one was to get a little bit more Tide to finish a bonus cash challenge, and I also had a Downy one. So this is like $64 and some change of these laundry care products. So they are in a promotion for $12.99 a pop. Spend 30, get back 10, and then there's $3 digitals for 3 of the different items for the pods, the liquid, and the scent beads. I am so fed up with fabric softener that I'm buying scent beads only. And then here is the information. Just pause it if you wish to read it. I'm maxing out the deal as I'm buying 64. So yeah, there it is. Sorry guys, no digital coupons to show you. I already used them and they have vanished into Rite Aid land. Looking at the math for this breakdown, 5 of the Tide and Downy, just a mix of them, is $64.95. Got the cashier to scan off of my phone, 15 back when you spend 50. Plus I had 2 5 off 25s or a 5 off 15, shaving off another $10. Plus $9 in digitals melting off. 3 for the liquid, 3 for the pods, and 3 for the scent beads. $45.95 plus tax, and I just rolled some bonus cash, and then I got back $35. 15 for the spend 50, get back 15, and then an extra 20 for spending 30, getting back 10 times 2. And then I also got back $13 in the bonus cash challenges for Tide, making this essentially free. This next one, I believe, is the website barcode. And this is the basket that I got. And I just broke up the Tide deals in a couple different transactions. And I had $6 tracking. So I have a Tide liquid, a pod, 2 of the Tampax Radiant, 2 Listerine Cool Mints, and then a $2 miscellaneous purchase to get my basket to $50. And Tide, $3 for each of those. And then the Tampax had a 3 off of 2 digital, and Listerine had $1 off. And then just to show you, there's $6.59 for these liter Listerines, which is a good amount of mouth rinse. and then $2 of bonus cash when you buy 2 of them. And I got back, I think, like $7 or $8 back from the bonus cash challenge for Listerine, so that was totally worth it for me. Tampax Radiant, I also have another bonus cash challenge, getting close to finishing that, and it's $6.99 on a BOGO 50% off, and we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So I stack that in with the Tide for this store card. So looking at the overall basket, guys, 2 of the Tides is $25.98, 2 Tampax for $10.48, 2 Listerine for $13.18, and 1 tape for $2, for a total of $51.64. Got the cashier to scan my $15 back when you spend $50. I had $10 in digital manufacturers melting off, plus 2 5 off 25 Rite Aid coupons. Find them on Real Deals' page. So I rolled $31.64 in bonus cash and got back $29. And then I finished a bonus cash challenge for Listerine, getting another $7 back. Check your bonus cash challenges and make some of these deals happen. I think the store closures will be a lot more than what we're thinking. And when they typically close a Rite Aid, it happens very, very quickly. So to get in on some of these deals, guys, make it happen soon. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.